How you doing? Perfect. How you guys doing? Jerry Pagani here from Goomba Mozzarella Association. The forecasters say it's 150 degrees, 110 degrees, 111 degrees. I hope you guys are all staying cool. But you're probably wondering why I took a picture of the video of the shaker and the watermelon. Let me tell you something about the watermelon. When I first met my wife, beautiful she is, she's probably around here somewhere, she's gonna yell at me any second right now. I came over the house, and my mother-in-law, God rest her soul, Bernadette, mom, best. She had a pool. She had a watermelon. So she took the watermelon. I said, "What are you doing with the watermelon?" She got closer to the pool. I was getting a little scared. I thought she was gonna fall in, and I had to jump in, and save her. Not a good swimmer, but enough. I said, "Mom, what are you doing?" She goes, "Hey, Jenny, you don't know." She took the watermelon and she threw it right in the pool. I said, "What are you doing?" She said, "Hey, don't worry about it. You'll see later on. It's gonna stay nice and cool." You think I was gonna argue with her? Spilling my drink. No, my wife. She's married her, I don't even know how many years. But anyway, the watermelon was in the pool. We had it the night before, the day of. It was cold as hell. So we'll do a little tribute to her. Bernadette, up in the sky, she's probably looking at me. So you do is you take this watermelon and you throw it in the pool. So I'll do that. Let me have a drink. It's a little hot out here. Stay cool, by the way. So here we go. Ready? Pool. Watermelon. Ready? Here we go. Hey, water. Do it. That's right. Oh, there you have it. All right, try it. Let me know. Leave it in there for a couple of hours. Let me know how cool it is. You probably all think I'm crazy. That's salt water. There's no chlorine or anything like that, and it probably could be killed. Right? Thank you for tuning in, Goomba Mozzarella Association. I'll see you next video. Love you. Bye bye.